Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids. Today we're covering Johnson Controls International PLC, ticker JCI, a global leader in smart, healthy, and sustainable buildings through HVAC, security, and fire systems. As of the market close on January 2nd, 2026, the most recent trading day, JCI finished at $122.31, up a strong 2.14% and outperforming many competitors on solid volume. The advance pushed shares near their 52-week high, reflecting continued investor confidence in JCI's building efficiency solutions amid growing demand for data centers, cooling, and sustainable technologies. The company recently initiated fiscal 2026 guidance following strong Q4 2025 results and maintained its quarterly dividend, supporting positive analyst sentiment. For JCI investors, watch for ongoing trends in commercial construction and energy efficiency regulations. This is not financial advice. Always do your own research and consult a professional. If this update helped, like the video, subscribe to Mitchell Makes Vids for more stock breakdowns, and comment your next ticker below. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. See you on the next one.